We are proud to introduce Tihama Energy, a company dedicated to the coconut shell charcoal briquette industry and has a main focus on the export market. We have proven our superiority in the global market with high-quality products produced from our factory located in Cirebon, West Java. Our commitment to providing environmentally friendly energy solutions has encouraged us to develop the latest technology in the production of coconut shell charcoal briquettes. With a factory covering an area of 7,000 square meters, which is equipped with modern facilities, we can produce up to 4 tons of briquettes per day with 2 lanes of product facilities, which can be expanded to 4 lanes or even more. The presence of our factory in a strategic area not only facilitates distribution mobility, but also ensures the consistent availability of our products for business partners throughout the world. We implement a quality management system, QMS, to maintain quality stability and guarantee customer satisfaction. We collaborate with entrepreneurs in the United Emirates region, especially Saudi Arabia, and established a house of Indonesian products in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, with full support from the Indonesian government through the Indonesian Consulate General in Jeddah, ITPC, and the Indonesian Muslim entrepreneurs community. We believe that hard work, innovation, and our commitment to quality are the keys to our success. We are committed to continuously raising industry standards and providing added value to our customers around the world. Tihama Energy is not only a leading producer in the briquettes industry, but also a pioneer in providing complete solutions. Apart from briquette production, we are also present as a manufacturer of processing machines with the latest and modern technology to control product quality from start to finish and maintain high standards that are recognized internationally. We also help develop our employee resources to become trustworthy workers based on faith and piety to improve the performance and quality of our company. Thank you for your trust and support. Let's create a more sustainable future together with environmentally friendly energy from Tihama Energy.